Hello, everyone. Welcome to IMPROVATE's Defense and Cyber Conference. Israel is well known throughout the world as a pioneer in defense technologies. We are proud to present solutions that we know can improve the security of free nations. We established IMPROVATE as a platform for cooperation and business development. And in light of the situation in Ukraine, today's event will facilitate connections between Israeli defense and cyber companies, as well as military and defense ministry representatives from throughout the region. Asio technologies empower ground forces and warfighters with personal digital gear for improved target acquisition, navigation, and orientation, and common language in the battlefield. Now, let's hear from CEO Mr. David Harel on how Asio Technologies provides tactical solutions for ground forces, including innovative navigation solutions for UAVs in a GNSS-denied environment. Please join us on stage, President David Harel.
At Asio Technologies, we are focusing on empowering ground forces and war fighters with personal digital gear for improved target acquisition, navigation, and orientation, and common language in the battlefield. NavGuard, Zero GNSS military-grade navigation, enables true BVLOS capability, jam-proof, safe navigation, optimized for tactical drone, size, weight, and power. Simple integration as external positioning module. Orion, tactical BMS solution for field forces. An end-to-end solution for planning and mission control. Fully integrated to Orion Net, online secured network. Orion Net, secured and saleable tactical BMS over cellular architecture. Orion Server, collect and present battle situation awareness. Orion Net is bidirectional synchronization tool, Orion Endpoints. Tactical mobile architecture, secured app store, and endpoint management. Lynx, C4I ready AR tactical observation system. Fast and simple situation awareness and targeting. Interface to BMS. Pointer, next generation fully integrated portable targeting system. Intuitive Cat 1 fire support capabilities. Patented zero signature targeting technology. Polaris, 6 degrees of freedom rugged navigation and orientation system for armed vehicles. 2 mil autonomous north finding and pitch and roll.
During the next 2 decades, new and emerging technologies could change and potentially revolutionize the battlefield in four broad areas: connectivity, lethality, autonomy, and sustainability. Those areas are where Asio focusing. Asio Technologies is a privately held defense company based in Israel, specializing in tactical soldier solutions and GNSS denied solution for tactical drones. All our systems are operational and field proven. We use machine vision, augmented reality, inertial sensors, and GIS know-how, and our own registered patent in order to develop line of innovative, cost-effective, field-proven products used by the armed forces and defense integrators. We have 2 strongholds. One in the land systems for tactical soldier solutions, and the second concentrate on GNSS denied areas navigation solution for tactical drones. This is our solution in general, including tactical mission management and BMS, all in the palm of your hand. A tactical smartwatch that reflects what you see in the Orion. Augmentation goggles that works on a handheld thermal imager and a smart weapon sight, all encrypted into a communication network that connects everything together. The Orion Mission Management Terminal has been deployed in the IDF by the thousands of systems and operational in all combat units. It has a lot of technology in terms of GIS, terrain analysis, combat mission management, and situation awareness. It is fully certified in terms of security and hardening of its entire architecture. In addition to its cutting-edge operational advantages, it supports significant cost reduction as it eliminates the cost of handling printed maps and orthophoto, as well as any other data that comes in paper form. This is just a taste of how it looks like. I jump quickly through the slides and the screens. We use terrain analysis, different capabilities, again, all in the palm of your hand. It's not a large system that need to be moved inside a vehicle. It's all in a mobile platform. You plan different course of actions, plan routes, route analysis, force plan and force determination, and most important, the ability to see everything together in a high-end, fully augmented 3D view with great details. This allows you to understand the plan and the way to manage and control your forces in the battlefield. This is general description of how the system, one back. This is a general description of how the system is deployed in the Army. We support online operation, but if you don't have support of tactical network, we support offline operation as well. This is done by an edge computing that covers and supports offline data dissemination between systems and units. The links, our augmentation system, a high accuracy augmented reality, support real-time situation awareness, augments everything from the Orion or any other C4I to the real world. It has two features. One is the ability to add the elements like friends and foe on the C4I and see it in the real world with the links. In addition, you can do the opposite of targeting acquisition in the links, which appear in the Orion or any C4I that is connected to the system. This allows fast closing of sensor to shooting cycle. The Taipan, our smart weapon sight for 40mm grenade launcher and light caliber. Here you can see a sight aiming from 300 meters on a skeleton of an APC. One first shot, first hit. For fire support, we have our own target acquisition system with smart goniometer and the Orion infrastructure inside. This includes also augmentation and capabilities of terrain analysis. This is used by JTAC for fire support and can be integrated with other sensors and optics. It can interface also with other fire support systems. Our GNSS-free navigation system addresses one of the major challenges of tactical drone and drone operation nowadays. And it was discussed in previous speeches here. Tactical drone missions rely solely on GNSS for navigation and orientation. Any disruption in GNSS service will result in either mission failure or the loss of a drone, sometimes behind enemy lines. GNSS can be easily jammed using simple measures, compromising the drone on the air and grounding all other drones for this mission. As a matter of fact, you can buy a jammer for $100 in the internet. This just emphasizes how acute the problem is. This is a map of GNSS jams as monitored daily by a GPS jam org site. You can see that it's quite common to have GNSS jams wherever you have a military conflict. Our solution, our system uses cutting-edge machine vision, AI, advanced optics, and sensor fusion to calculate real-time positioning by georeferencing. The system is jam-proof operation under complete RF blackout from takeoff to landing, simply because it doesn't use any communication, only optics. One of the major advantages that it encompasses is that it's lightweight, about 200 grams, low power, the power of a cell phone, and compact, very small, like a cigarette box. The solution is relevant, especially for tactical drones, both as embedded or just architecture that we connected the system. This is a clip demonstrating flight without GPS. Drone is in the desert in south of Israel. You can see the architecture, the accurate in the flights that is based on the planned route, and there is no satellite available due to jamming. These are two product lines. Nocta Mini, for most of tactical drones, facilitate both day and night, and Nocta for larger drones and medium-sized fixed-wings UAV. To summarize, Asio Technologies is the leading contractor for the IDF and major defense integrators. We have decades of operational experience providing innovative, operational, and field-proven solutions. Thank you, and we are looking forward to meeting you in a one-on-one session.